Hey guys, it's Martin Mi5 back for another video. Today is about NIO stock price down 5.3%. Once again, this stock is just taking a beating. It's getting beat like a redheaded stepchild. So we're gonna find out what's going on. And just off topic, I just saw this picture of this lady here guzzling down olive oil. If you guys drink olive oil like straight out of the bottle like that, let me know in the comment section below. But let's get into this. Okay, NIO stock price was down 5.3% during trading on Thursday. The stock traded as low as 518 and last traded at 522. Approximately 24,326,770 shares traded hands during trading, a decline of 57% from the average daily volume of 56 million, so roughly about half, 56,552,512 shares. The stock had previously closed at 551. China EV rally. Should investors chase, avoid, or buy the dip? Several equities research analysts have commented on NIO shares. Daiwa America raised shares of NIO to a strong buy rating in a research report on Monday, September 30th. JP Morgan Chase & Company raised their shares of NIO from a neutral rating to an overweight rating. So NIO's getting fat, I guess, and boosted their price target for the stock from $5.30 to $8 in a research report on Friday, September 6th. Citigroup dropped their target price on shares of NIO from $8.50 to $7 and set a buy rating on the stock report on Wednesday, September 4th. Bank of America upped their price target on shares of NIO from $5 to $5.30 and gave the company a neutral rating in a research note on Thursday, September 5th. Finally, Wolf Research assumed coverage on NIO in a research report on Thursday, September 5th. They set a peer perform rating for the company. One investment analysis has rated the stock with a sell rating, 8 have issued a hold rating, 2 have issued a buy rating, and 1 has assigned a strong buy rating to the company's stock. According to the data from MarketBeat, the company currently has a consensus rating of hold and an average price target of $5.93. NIO stock trading down 7.6%. The stock has market capitalization of $875 billion. $8.75 billion and a PE ratio of negative 3.09 and a beta of 1.6. The firm's 50-day simple moving average is 507 and its 200-day simple moving average is 480. The company has a quick ratio of 1.01, a current ratio of 1 to 11, and a debt to equity ratio of 0.71. NIO last released its quarterly earnings data on Thursday, September 5th. The company reported $2.21 earnings per share for the quarter, meeting analyst consensus estimates of $2.21. NIO had a negative net margin of 32.47% and a negative return on equity of 104.61%. The firm had a revenue of $17.45 billion for the quarter, compared to the analyst estimates of $17.49 billion. During the same period last year, the firm earned 51 cents per share. The business's quarterly revenue was up 98.9% compared to the same quarter last year, as a group of analysts forecast that NIO Incorporated will post 1.37 earnings per share for the current fiscal year. Hedge funds on NIO. Why the Magnificent Seven could become a pain trade for investors. Hedge funds and other institutional investors have recently modified their holdings of the business. Avi Wealth Management LLC purchased a new stake of shares of NIO during the third quarter, valued at $285,000. Creative Planning increases holdings in NIO 8.3% during the third quarter. Creative Planning now owns 290,558 shares of the company's stock, worth $1,941,000 after buying an additional 22,240 shares during the last quarter. Sivia Capital Partners bought a new stake in NIO in the third quarter, worth about $92,000. Atami Financial Group Incorporated grew its stake in shares of NIO by 15.5% during the third quarter. Atami Financial Group now owns 19,327 shares of the company's stock, worth $129,000 after acquiring an additional 2,588 shares during the period. Finally, Green Alpha Advisors LLC lifted its holdings in NIO by 23.1% during the first quarter. Green Alpha LLC now owns 73,413 shares of the company's stock, valued at $490,000, after purchasing an additional 13,773 shares during the last quarter. Hedge funds and other institutional investors own 48.55% of the company's stock. NIO Incorporated designs, manufactures, sells electric vehicles in the People's Republic of China. The company is also involved in manufacture of e-powertrain, battery packs, components, and racing management technology development, sales after sales management activities. In addition, it offers power solutions for battery charging needs and other value-added services. So at the very last here, should you invest $1,000 in NIO right now? Before you consider NIO, you want to hear this. MarketBeat keeps track of all the top-rated, best-performing research analysts and the stocks they recommend to their clients on a daily basis. MarketBeat has identified the 5 stocks that top analysts are quietly whispering to their clients to buy now before the broader market catches on, and NIO was not on the list. While NIO currently has a hold rating among analysts, top-rated analysts believe these 5 stocks are better buys. I'm not going to unlock the potential, but I am kind of curious to what those stocks might be. Let's just take a look at the chart, how NIO did today. And somebody on YouTube said it was a bloodbath. They're not far off. So we opened at 536 and just descended down 508, 505 was the lowest of today. Then it kind of sideways trade and recovered a little bit back up to 516. So yeah, not what a lot of people were expecting. I had told you guys before in the previous videos that I believed that it was going to go back down to $5, and lo and behold, it's 515. That's pretty damn close. Is it going to get into the get back into the $4 range? Let me know in the comment section below. Are you guys buying more of it? Did some of you guys panic sell? Did a lot of you buy at the $7 range and you bought in heavy and now you regret it because you're bag holding? That's another question I would like to know. So that's it for this particular video. If you guys are for NIO, stay strong in there. Don't give up. You can take this advantage to buy more. But you guys asked me about my entry point, and I think you guys asked me when it was getting close to $7, and I said nope, not going to enter into NIO at that point, and this is exactly why. So that's it. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so you guys will be notified of my daily uploads, and we'll see you in the next video.